Adding an EBT card to the Target application is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. For in-store purchases, continue using your physical EBT card at checkout. This remains the most reliable way to pay for eligible SNAP items at any Target location. Then consider using Scan and Go with a linked debit card. And if your EBT account is linked to a debit card, you might be able to use it for Scan and Go purchases within the app. However, this wouldn't directly utilize your EBT benefits. For online orders through Shipt, now sign in to your Target.com account. Then, go to your account settings or payment methods and select Add Payment Method and choose EBT card. Now enter your EBT card information accurately. When placing a Shipt order, choose SNAP as your payment method for eligible groceries.